Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can update the DuckDuckGo web browser to its newest version in 2026 on desktop computer or on laptop. So let us dive into this. So let me launch the DuckDuckGo web browser on my computer. Navigate to its browser settings by clicking into these three lines in the top right. And what you want to do, guys, is either check if this information is visible at the top of that menu, update ready, restart to update, for example, if DuckDuckGo has just recently downloaded an update or the newest version. If you don't see it, you may navigate to the browser settings by clicking into this button, and here click into About at the bottom of the left sidebar, and here DuckDuckGo will tell you which version you're currently using, when the last update check was in this case performed, and if any new versions are available. If that's the case, DuckDuckGo will download these automatically so that you may confirm the installation of the update by clicking into this button. DuckDuckGo will after that relaunch or restart with the update installed. And that's it, guys. So updating the browser may contribute to fixing various performance issues. That applies to basically most web browsers, not only to DuckDuckGo. So that may help fix the issue here on DuckDuckGo web browser. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.